Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make the foundation chain. To make the foundation chain you will need a yarn and a hook. For today's video I'm going to use this wool yarn and this 5mm hook. For beginners, I recommend to start with a cotton yarn, wool or acrylic. The foundation chain is the beginning of many crochet patterns, so it's fundamental to know how to make the foundation chain if you want to start a crochet pattern. To begin the chain, you need to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, I recommend you go on my profile and check the previous videos. So I already made the slip knot, and at this point I'm going to pass my hook through the loop. Then with my right hand I keep the short part of the yarn, and with my left hand the long part. To form a chain, you need to yarn over and then pass the yarn through the loop. So again, yarn over and then pass the hook with the yarn through the loop. One more time, yarn over and then pass the hook with the yarn through the loop. So basically you need to repeat this process until you reach to the desired amount of chains that are necessary for your project. So I'm still making a few more chains. You can make as many as you want. There is no limit. The more you make, the better it will be. At this point, I would like to tell you to not worry if you cannot manage to do it from the very first time. Take your time, keep practicing, and you will see that you will get the results that you want. And yeah, that's the final result. That's a foundation chain and that's how it should look like. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for many more upcoming videos. Bye!